Hey, this is Craig with S&B Filters. Today we're going to be doing an install on this 2017 to 2019 Ford Fusion Sport. I'm going to show you what comes with our kit. Big enclosed air box, huge air filter, built-in couplers, two small tubes, some brackets, clear lid so you can see that air filter. We got a big scoop going to the front. Let's get started. We're going to disconnect this temperature sensor. Loosen the hose clamps. It's a 7mm. And then we'll loosen the scoop here. Same 7mm. Remove these two screws. Then we're going to remove the factory air box. Sitting in some grommets. It all comes out in one piece. Now that we got the OE air box out, we're going to remove the sensor. It's like a quarter turn, and that pops out. There's usually a little clip that you got to get up over that ramp. And we're going to pop this into the S&B. Air filter. We'll prep our air box by installing the two brackets on the bottom of the air scoop. And this is a 2.5mm Allen wrench. Okay, so now that we have our brackets on the scoop portion here, we're going to install the S&B air filter. And that goes in the logo facing up. Snap the filter base into the air box. That. And now we can install the two supplied tubes. And you'll notice they have a little notch here. Those will match up with the notches on the filter base. So we'll get those installed. We'll tighten our hose clamps. Okay, so we're going to take our temperature sensor. One thing I forgot to mention is we supply this temperature sensor extension harness. And then we'll install the temperature sensor into the filter base. We're going to take this assembly and we'll hold this extension harness up underneath the scoop, and there's two grommets. A grommet here, a grommet there, and there's two prongs in our airbox. Obviously this one's missing, but this assembly will drop in to those grommets. Keep that harness underneath. So now you feel that they're in the, put our air ducts onto the tube. route this up underneath there. Fish that extension through and then connect it to the OE harness. And then you can zip tie this out of the way. So now you see we got the scoop brackets in the OE locations, and the prongs in the bottom of the airbox are secured in the grommet. We can tighten our hose clamps. We'll zip tie the extension harness to an existing harness here and keep it out of the way. Got that tucked out of the way. Take the OE screws that hold the scoop. We're going to mount those here. Okay, our last step, we're going to install the lid, snap-in lid. We're going to remove the protective film on both sides. Install the lid into the snap-in seal. All right, last step, we're going to snap in the lid assembly into the airbox. All right, that's it for the install on this 2017 to 2019 Ford Fusion Sport. Super easy install. If you have any questions, give us a call.